Magandang buhay sa lahat, lalong-lalo na sa mga masugid na fans ng Lizken couple. Enrique Hill movie, I Am Not Big Bird, featured ng Deadline.com. Ang international journalist na si Liz Shackleton ang nag-featured sa binata sa kanyang Twitter at column. Liz Shackleton tweets, Filipino star, Enrique Hill, on his comeback after 3-year hiatus in raunchy comedy, I Am Not Big Bird. Ayan na nga, international journalist ang nakapansin kay Enrique Hill sa kanyang pagbabalik showbiz, ang kauna-unahang sexy comedy movie ng aktor, madami na ang nag-aabang, lalo na ang Lizken fans. Antayin na lang natin guys ang pagpapalabas nito sa sinehan dahil ang nasabing movie ni Enrique Hill ay tapos na din itong na-shoot. Anyway guys, panoorin natin ang Lizken couple sa kanilang facial expressions na tiyak na ikakatuwa ninyo. Talagang meant to be talaga ang dalawa.
Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is rain.